Folks. I wanted to give a short introduction to myself. My name is Dr. Leanne Kaiser, and you are welcome to refer to me as is comfortable for you. Dr. Kaiser, Leanne, Dr. Leanne, Professor, whatever works for you works for me. I thought I'd share just a little bit about myself professionally and personally so we can get to know each other. First off, I have been at CSU since 2008 with the Adult Ed and Training program. Just some pictures here of my wonderful colleagues in the AET program. As you can see, we don't enjoy doing things or being together at all. No, truly, they are the most amazing group of people in a fantastic program, and I really do feel lucky to be a part of this group. I have two children, my son Sam and my daughter Anna, and my husband Steve. As you can see, we certainly like doing things outside. Living in Laramie, Wyoming, which is actually about an hour north of Fort Collins, we're pretty lucky to be able to be in the mountains and to really enjoy doing a lot of good outdoor things. My husband is a firefighter and an EMT and a physical therapist. Yes, those are three jobs. He loves them all and he keeps busy, and I'm glad that he loves them. We also keep busy with all of our kid activities, just a couple of them here. Lots of running, lots of soccer, lots of skiing, all sorts of good things. We also have some furry friends in our house. We have our little cat Grace, she's the one in the bandana, and Jack in the suitcase, and our guinea pigs, Jurgen and Cosmo. So plenty of furry friends at our house. As I mentioned, I live in Laramie, Wyoming, which looks like this pretty often. Luckily, though, we like to do a lot of this also. So we embrace the snow at our mountain elevation. In addition to outdoor activities, I like to do a lot of other stuff. I like to garden, both vegetables, and I love flower gardening as well, and being able to sit outside with a cup of tea and enjoying it. Reading is a great activity, and apparently my cat likes reading as well. So a little bit about this class. So this is really an orientation to the AET program as a whole and how to succeed as a graduate student. So we'll have various topics and various items that we'll cover each week throughout the semester to help us reach those goals. And then the big overarching goal for this course is just to set you up for success for the rest of your time in the AET program. So I'm hopeful that we'll be able to achieve that. And finally, I'm here. I am here for whatever you may need. You'll obviously see me very present in class, but anything else additional that I can help you with to succeed in this class or the program as a whole, please reach out at any time. I'm looking forward to the semester.